Hi, this is Mel and Charlie with Florensics. Wanted to go through an example of some larger rolling that we're seeing and that we usually see as we get into a monthly options expiration. These are going to be some of your larger trades, but wanted to just make sure that you are looking and being able to identify where you have rolled positions. And today we had TSM come through in the 818.75 calls. You've got some size here. You've got 61.6 million, definitely larger positioning, but do want to draw attention to the closed position that's actually being rolled. So that's going to be the 519.70 calls. You can see that they are closing this out, and you have 62.4 million behind that. So this is an existing position. The player's wanting to stay in, going to roll up into the 75s and out to August to get more time. And this is something that we often see where they continuously roll, and that's the case with TSM. If you go and backtrack the 519 position that they're closing, they originally came in on this position in February. So this is a position that we're continuously seeing rolled out. Also had that come through in Meta. Charlie, you want to take this one?
Yeah, so Meta, this one was interesting. We see a lot of people get excited over these Meta 200s coming through. But we went back, and this is why historical flow is so important and having all the data. In February, this player moved from the 105s to the 145s. And this was in February. And then in March, they go from the 145s to the 180s. Now here we are in May, and they're closing the 180s and pushing it up to the 200. So again, an example of where they're just rolling up and out, and up by a higher strike price, out more time. So this person has been in from the 105s all the way to now 200s. So yeah, another example.
Just a good example, good to know, especially because we do have options expiration this week. This is when you typically start to see a lot of the larger rolled positions. Just do a double check and see if that's something that's a new position or a position that's actually being rolled. Thank you for your time and have a good evening.